Welcome to FXStreet. If you like the content we are producing, you'd like to be updated to it on a regular basis, head on over to YouTube, hit that subscribe channel, and you can follow me on Twitter at JustAnalysisOne. Taking a look here at Solana, which has definitely been beaten up quite a bit, a combination of really bearish technical setups and some fundamentals related to concerns over the stability of the network, which are probably mostly moot, but nonetheless, there's those fundamental issues there. But from a technical perspective, I mean, it's in a pretty dicey zone. So this black horizontal line represents kind of the lowest, thickest part of the low end of this high volume node, where a drop below it, if you look at the volume profile, is very thin. And how you interpret the volume profile is essentially as an area of support and resistance. And when theoretically, when prices drop below a high volume node or above, but in this case below, because it's so thin and there was not a lot of participation, it acts like a vacuum and it gets sucked into the next high volume node, which is this little itty bitty node down here at $75, but really probably more than likely it would get halted around that $100 range. But so anytime that Solana spends below this black line is kind of a danger zone. And then you've got the bull flag here is represented in these three lines. This is a regression band, linear regression band, and it's near the lows of that. So if it has a clear breakdown below that flag, there could be a huge danger zone too. And ultimately, a move below 125 could, a move below 130 could trigger a very fast move down into that 120 zone and even testing the 382 fib retracement. But something that's probably going to prevent that, I say probably because it's not a certainty, but there's this kind of thing. I got to draw it out, but this exists across many, many, many altcoins right now. And it's this inverse head and shoulder pattern. You can see it in the RSI on some charts, but it's really apparent in the composite index, this inverse head and shoulders pattern. Some price charts, you can see it. Others, you can't. But on the composite index, at least, it's very evident that there's an inverse head and shoulders pattern here. And that is definitely pointing to a bullish reversal here soon. So for Solana to break out above this flag, it's going to take a little while. I would say the upside potential is definitely limited to that 168 zone where the Kijun-sen is at, and that the downside risks are definitely in that 120 to 115 zone if it can't hold 130. So just be on the lookout for that. But that does it for me on Solana. Thank you all for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.